In today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can disable or turn off the narrator in Minecraft. So this is very easy, and sometimes you enable the narrator by mistake because there is a shortcut that if you press it, you will enable it and it will keep narrating whatever happens in your game. It's a voice that will basically narrate everything. So if you have enabled it by mistake and you want to disable, this video is for you. What you need to do is open the menu, then go to options, then accessibility settings, and you will see the narrator option right here. So you might have it like this, or there are different types of narrator, but you just need to click it until you will see narrator off, which is disabled. And then you can also click this option right here, the narrator hotkey, that will allow you to enable or disable the narrator with the Control B hotkey. So if you have this enabled, maybe you press Control B by mistake and you will enable the narrator. So if you don't need that option, what I recommend you to do is click right here and turn it off. So I hope it was helpful and thanks for watching.